This video examines a critical governance gap in youth sports, focusing on the intersection of AI scouting, global capital, and the rights of 50 to 70 million young athletes. What happens when AI-enabled scouting identifies a child in Mexico City? We look at the implications for young athletes navigating global systems. The principle of soccer for everyone aims for representation and clear pathways to the top. However, we must ask why moral and ethical dimensions are often overlooked in favor of narrow legal framing when addressing cross-border safeguarding. With the ability to scout 50 to 70 million teenagers globally, U.S. soccer faces a dilemma. How do governance structures support dual national athletes when multiple federations are involved? In youth sports, capital flows where data goes. With private equity entering the field, participation data is increasingly viewed as an investable asset class. The current landscape shows a stark contrast. While sophisticated infrastructure exists for identifying and valuing talent, the corresponding infrastructure to protect the rights of those athletes does not. Documented cases highlight systemic failures. Over 3 years, multiple filings from concerned families were met with silence or automated responses, leaving serious issues unresolved. There is a clear contradiction in the current pipeline. While U.S.-based players may have direct access, others face mandatory fees and complex requirements that can misrepresent the path to professional play. When athletes move across borders, safeguarding protections often fail to follow them. Documented questions regarding policy and accountability for these young players remain unanswered.
We see a governance gap where mature infrastructure for scouting and finance thrives, while critical protocols for cross-border safeguarding and data protection remain immature.
As we head toward 2026, the central question remains: have athlete rights evolved at the same pace as the valuation of these 50 to 70 million children? The pipeline is moving, and the showcase is coming. Governance must catch up to ensure that the next generation of athletes is protected, rather than simply treated as owned infrastructure.